Good morning.
Morning. Cheers.
Cheers. Love you.
Love you.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday.
Howdy doody.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Oh, was it closed? Oh, good morning.
Well, first off, we're inside because it's hellaciously windy, breezy, and we don't know when the rain's supposed to start. Should be any time now.
Yeah, you said you got some sprinkles on you when you took Bear out
Yeah.
to go pee-pee.
Spotted up my glasses. Yeah. So we're still in Las Vegas. Kinda.
Yeah. Yep.
Boulder City.
A very big happy birthday to our Dave in a Toolbox.
Happy birthday, buddy!
You get out for today. You need to go to the airport and pick somebody up. So happy birthday, Dave. We love you.
Love you to death, Dave.
We hope you have a wonderful day.
Yes. Our endeavors, Dave.
Yes. He's our Dave, too.
Yes. Our Dave, our endeavor.
So, thank you, everybody, for being here today and watching. We appreciate you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and then click the bell to make sure that you get notified every time we put out a new video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share us with all of your friends and family that you want to torment. So you have to watch and suffer through them too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
It's
yes, dear.
here at the campground, the Boulder Beach campground where we are. Yesterday I had Bear out. I saw an old man fall into a well. He couldn't see that well.
That'll happen. If you can't see a hole, you're going to fall in it. Right? Right? Who's fallen in a hole that they haven't seen before?
Speaking of holes,
Yes, dear.
I was just thinking, you were making fun of my underpanties the other day and all the rips and stuff like that. They should call men's underpants junk drawers.
Yeah.
Well,
they should. You wear them until they about just fall off of you.
change my mind.
Oh, okay. We're getting really personal here.
Okay,
Aren't we?
all right, I'm done.
Okay. Alrighty. Another thing for, secondly, please check down in the description below, or if you have watched the fire video, and if you go back to it for some reason, there is GoFundMe information there for Karen and her children.
Yes.
So we have put a link here in this video and also on the fire video.
Yeah, right at the top
So
of the fire video.
if you can help out, they would really appreciate it.
Smallest donation will help. Okay? True.
Yeah.
Just anything you can possibly do for them. It's a GoFundMe account below in the description.
Yes. So they are all the way back up at home in Idaho.
Yeah.
So at least they're up there with family.
Yeah.
So last Saturday after we chatted with you, you did some video stuff. I did some cleaning and some card making stuff. And our friends Curtis and Mary arrived at the campground. They had a very long travel day. Not like our hour and a half to 2 hour travel days. They booked it up here. And they both drive because she chases in a car.
Yeah.
So he pulls the trailer and she chases in a car. So they were a little tired.
Yeah.
And
But we got to spend some quality time
yes.
with them.
Yes,
We
did.
love those guys.
Yeah, we just visited with them for a short time on their arrival day
Yeah.
because they were tired from the driving. And they had to wait to be able to get into their site because the burn trailer was being removed.
Yeah.
So they had the road blocked off and they were in that loop.
Yeah.
Sunday was the baseball game, still spring
Yep.
training. I had a really bad headache. I don't know why, but something.
Didn't you wake up with a headache that day?
Yeah, I did. When I woke up, I had a headache. I know you love to say that. I woke up with a headache.
Yeah, I know. Every day.
You did some video stuff, worked on that. I have baseball game on there twice. There was only one baseball
Yeah.
game. And I worked on some card stuff later on in the afternoon when I started feeling a little bit better. Monday, we had a wonderful visit and went to brunch with our friend Jay.
Yay!
So she met us out here in Boulder City.
Yay for
and
Jay.
We went to Southwest Diner again. We went there last year with her. And so we had a wonderful visit.
Pretty good local eatery in Boulder City that's not far from the Boulder Beach Campground. So if you all are here, that's a great place to go eat. And they have really reasonable prices and tons of food.
Lots of different
Each
foods.
meal. A
Yeah.
lot of different stuff.
Yep. And then that afternoon there was a baseball game. We were getting down to the final
Spring training
spring training. I think on Tuesday was the last one. And
for us.
yeah, for us. I worked on cards and you worked on YouTube and video stuff. And then we went for a nice walk. And the next day, let's see, where are we? I'm getting lost. Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday, we both worked. Okay, do I have that wrong?
You have everything wrong
I
because you woke up
do.
with a headache.
Oh God, I do. I've got this stuff. We're just gonna clump it all together. This is what we did this week.
We had fun. Bye.
Tuesday we did both work on our work, and then I worked on some cards. There was a baseball game. I have that we went to dinner with Curtis and Mary on
We
Tuesday.
did.
I thought that was Wednesday because I thought they were
left
leaving.
Wednesday.
I thought they were leaving on Thursday.
No.
Oh no, that was Richie and oh my God.
That's because she woke up with a headache.
I must have woken up with another one today because I can't even think straight. I wake up with the same headache every day, okay?
There it is. She said it.
Yeah. Okay, so we did go and have a wonderful dinner with Curtis and Mary on Tuesday night.
The end. See ya.
No. We have more people to talk about. So they were leaving the next day. So we
Yes.
got our visit in with them. We're
Yeah.
not sure when we will see them again. If it might not be until next autumn
Yeah.
or winter in Quartzsite.
Yeah.
But who knows? We run into people. I mean,
You
it was
never know.
unexpected that they were coming here. We didn't know
Yeah.
that. So we may see them somewhere else
You
along
just
the
never
line.
know when we're going to bump into each other.
Yeah. On Wednesday, we went to go provision.
Yeah.
Went to Walmart and got our groceries.
Reprovision. Did you see the short we put up about Walmart and the things that they have locked up behind glass? If not, go watch the short. We put it up Friday morning. It's crazy.
Yeah. It was very interesting. I mean, we've been to a lot of Walmarts that have a lot of things locked up.
Electronics, makeup, things like that. But this, what they had locked up, so crazy. Go watch the video.
I want to see video that they have of people
Trying to get
Run
out
it
of the store with
with
these,
a big old
these-
jug of
these
laundry
things.
soap.
No, don't tell them what it is.
Oh.
Shh. Go watch the video. It's only 34 seconds long.
If you haven't seen it already, yeah. Oh, jeez. So we kind of did our hobby stuff for a while, and then we went for a walk, and we visited with Richie and Raquel and Alex and Carly.
Yes.
So we met these folks. Well,
Right here.
Yeah, here at Boulder Beach. Richie
Commented on one of our videos and said, "Are you still here in the campground?
Yep.
We're here in site XXX."
Yeah, so we swung by to see them, and then we didn't have stickers with them, so we had promised to come back and give them stickers. And this was the day that we went to go do that, and they had company. I believe Alex is Richie's son, and his girlfriend Carly was there too. Super, super nice people.
Incredibly
So
nice.
fun. So they are all in the show business
Yes.
line here
Yes.
in Las Vegas.
Yes.
So Richie teaches trapeze, and Raquel, she works in wardrobe for the Jersey Boys show,
Huh?
and Alex is a jouster at Excalibur.
That
and
is so
Carly
cool.
is a dancer at
Yes.
Excalibur for the show.
That's so
That's
cool.
how they met. So it was really fun talking with them. We visited for just a little while.
Yeah.
But it was great meeting them, meeting you guys.
Yes.
We loved that, and we
Yes.
hope that we get to see you again.
That was so cool.
Yeah, it was. It was very nice.
At some point, and I know we probably don't have enough time this visit, but at some point I would like to go see the show.
Oh yeah, because Alex said that he could get us tickets to go.
Even
Well,
without that.
Without that,
I
yeah.
would like to go see that
I've
show.
always wanted to go see it and never
Yeah.
have been able to. So yes, that would be fun.
Yeah.
That would be a lot of fun.
Yep.
Thursday was baseball's opening day.
Yay!
A holiday in our books. It wasn't a Cardinals opening day at Busch Stadium. They were at Dodger Stadium. But it was still baseball opening day, the first
Yep.
day of the real season. And
Cardinals don't know that yet, but
they still think they're in spring
they still
training.
think
They still think the games don't count. Yeah. Yes,
it's going to
Thursday
be
and
a
Friday.
long season for the Cardinals. Last year was bad. This year I think it's going to be worse.
Yeah, you know the Dodgers are going around saying, "Oh, we won our first 2 games," and people say, "Yeah, but you're playing the Cardinals, so it doesn't count."
Those don't count
Those don't
either.
count. Yesterday, I did some baking and some cleaning because we were having a pizza party.
Yay!
Jay, our friend that we had brunch with on Monday, we decided we wanted to see her again one more time before we left the area.
Yep.
And so she brought over a bunch of goodies.
Oh my gosh.
So she brought over pizza and cookies and beverages to drink
And
and
what kind of beverages did you have?
margaritas. They're not mochas margaritas, but I'm sure if I drank enough of them, they would equal up to it. But it's actually pretty good. I'm going to say what it is. It was Costco's pre-mixed, and we just poured it over ice, and it was really good.
Yeah.
So just enough little teeny tiny buzz. So I didn't feel sick at all or anything, and drank a couple of big glasses of it.
No hangover this morning, but she did wake up with a headache.
I woke up. No, I didn't wake up with a headache this morning.
Yeah, you did. I was in there.
With
Oh, wait a minute. That's not a headache. That was a pain in the arse.
Oh, yeah. So we had a very nice visit with Jay, and
Yes.
then after that we got to watch the ball game because they're on the West Coast,
Yep.
and it was a late game.
Late game, so.
Yeah, another disappointing game. At least they scored something last night.
Yeah.
The first game they didn't score anything, but anyway, it is supposed to be a rainy weekend here.
Yeah. Rainy, windy weekend all over the Las Vegas Valley.
Sounds
and
like
Lake Mead.
a good weekend to just stay inside and work,
Yeah.
get work done.
Yeah.
Might as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Bear's going to make a cameo. Don't go away.
Whoa, there, and maybe Kaylee.
And maybe even Kaylee.
Maybe Kaylee.
They're both sleeping.
they're both waiting for breakfast.
They're zoned out. We appreciate each and every one of you more than you know.
Thank you for being here. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
The bear does a wiggle butt. Bear, is it time for breakfast?
Where's Mommy?
Is it time for breakfast? Huh? Kaylee, is it time for second breakfast? Huh? Do you want breakfast? Bear, where's your breakfast? Where is it? Where is it?
Ready to go eat?
Oh, yes, please.